So if we can get this in picture, today we've got this Harvard H469 bottom of the range emergency set. It's got the advantage that you can put the telescopic arrow provided in the top, and you can put batteries inside it, so you can use it as a walkie-talkie, as well as it coming with a mag mount that doesn't stick to your car roof very well. We've got 3 of these, they're all as bad on that. These are 3-channel crystal controlled. We've got 3.3 watts out of this, which is absolutely fine. It's got low power on it, which is useful. So you've got channel 9, channel 14, channel 30. We're going to run with 14 because it's in the centre of the band. I'll better put it on high power. We're plugged into the roof aerial through the 3.5mm external aerial jack, and we're plugged into external power at 12.8 volts, which is as high as I dare go. So I'll switch it on. It's on. There's no clever chips in these. There's a 1/4 watt audio IC, but you know, it's an all transistor FM receiver, so there's no clever chips. It performs more like AM in the way it, the volume is and things. So we'll give Mr. Chippie a call, and we'll see whether PTT's right in the middle. We'll see, and there's got an electret mic there and a 2.5-inch speaker. So these weren't cheap. I think they're still around £69. But obviously you could turn it into a walkie-talkie, a bit like the Maxcom 7E. But there you are, there were much better ones available. Tango 21 test. I'm on the...
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that.
Right, do you want to plug your speaker in and stuff?
I can't do that, it's an emergency set.
Right, off we go then.
Roger diddly dodger. Well, he's 100 yards away, sounds great. So receive is pretty dreary, 1.7 microvolts.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
We'll see how we go. Roger on that. No tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station 132.9 and 142.9.
Roger on that.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you surprisingly well going around Scratchy Corner at Wilson. I'm on a
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you surprisingly well going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Harvard SOS H469 emergency radio, which is crystal controlled. He's doing 3.2 watt output, and I'm on the built-in electret line. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford at level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, you're at the 5 mile point. We're on this Harvard emergency radio 8649. Unfortunately, I'll get it right. Doing 3.2 watts for output, showing 600 milliamps. We'll go to low power, and it's doing 480 milliwatts on low power. So here we go to low power, 5432 watts. There we are on low power, setting 12345. Then we'll go back to full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Roger that, no problems on full power, and you're fully legible on low power, despite it being a bit choppy on the band.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol 136.9, diesel 144.7.
Well, that was a lot better than I thought, so thank you very much.
No problem, 10-10.
10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over. Right, well that worked a lot better than I thought, so thank you very much.
No problem,
10-10. Well, there you are, it did work a lot better than I thought. Got to be careful with the squelch because it's an insensitive squelch, it's about 3.2 microvolts. So we will go over to our base station, remembering to turn the base station to another channel, like 14. And we'll see what that sounds like on that built-in electret mic.
Tango 21, testing the H469 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, power 4, 3, 2, 1 on full power. We'll go to low power. And there we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3. And then we are back to full power. I think tomorrow was a Barracuda HP 940 in its box to do. So thanks for watching. The Harvard H469 bottom of the range emergency set from 1981.